Welcome back to my channel. So today on Crypto Airdrop, I'll be showing you guys how to claim free CKB airdrop token. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, Crypto Airdrop, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notification. And make sure you check out my previous videos on airdrop tokens and how to make money online. So make sure you check out the videos on the Good Dollar, which is the latest airdrop token right now, and the CVE airdrop token. Make sure you claim them before the end. So today, as you said all the time, I'm showing you guys how to claim the free CKB airdrop token. So let's get started. I'll be dropping two links in the description below. So the first link, you click to get started. You click on the first link. I'll make sure you watch the full video so that you get answers to the quiz that will be asked once you want to claim the airdrop. So you click on the first link. So after clicking on the first link, it should redirect you to a page like this. So on this page, you click on these three lines here. After clicking on the three lines, it will bring you to a page like this. So if you're new to the channel, you're creating an account. That's if you're new to CoinMarketCap, you create an account on the website. And if you already have an account, you just log in. Click and log in with your email, or you create a new account using your email address. So after doing that, then you come back to the description and click on the second link. So once you click on the second link, it will redirect you to a page like this. So once you're on this page, all you have to do is scroll down. So once you scroll down, you'll go to somewhere like this, then click on take the quiz. So after clicking on take the quiz, it will load and bring you to a page like this. Then click on the arrow button here, that's to go to the next page. So on the next page, it will ask you to verify if you're human. Then you click on this box to answer a captcha that the box I'm not a robot. So once you do that, you click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, it will bring you to a page like this. Then click on I agree with the CoinMarketCap and terms and conditions. Then you click on next button below. So bring you to a page like this. Then you input the email. That's the email you used to create an account on the first link. So you input the email here. So after inputting the email here, you click on next and I'll bring you to a page like this where you're supposed to enter your 8-digit Binance user ID. So to get your 8-digit Binance user ID, open your Binance app or Binance website, then click on this place. That's your profile. Click on this at the top left hand corner of the screen. It bring you to a page like this. Then you copy this ID. That's your 1 2 3 4 8-digit ID. This one, you copy it and type it here. So once you type it, then you click on next. Click on next, will bring you to a page like this. So ask you what is the total supply of CKB tokens. So you can just copy it this. This is the total supply. Just copy it and paste. Then click on next. It will bring you to a page like this. Like it will ask you what is the full name of the layer 1 blockchain of Nevos network. So the answer is Common Knowledge Blockchain. You click on this and click on next. It will bring you to a page and ask you what consensus algorithm does the Nevos network use. The answer is proof of work, POW. Click on that and click on next. So next page will ask you what three features can be attributed to the Nevos blockchain. Then you select this, you click on next, and the next question will come up asking you why Nevos blockchain was purposely built for what, then layer 2 development and scaling. So that's the answer. You click on this and you click on next. So next you ask you what is the name of Nevos native token, which is the CK byte. Click on it and click on next. Ask you what Nevos token can be used for, that's the store of value. Then you click on that and click on next. Ask you the Nevos DAA act as an, so the answer is inflation shelter from secondary insurance. I think this is the last question. So after this question, you click on next. After answering the question, it bring you a page like this. So on this page, what you do is you click on submit below this, please. You click on submit. After clicking on submit, you redirect to a page like this where you're supposed to answer a captcha by clicking on the box in front of I'm not a robot. So once you click on this box, then you answer the captcha. Of the answering captcha, it will be kept good. Then you click on submit form. So after you submit the form, you receive a mail that your answers have been successfully recorded. So and that you've successfully completed the quiz. You receive a mail like this, which signifies that you've successfully submitted and answered the questions to the quiz. So all you have to do is wait. Once the campaign ends, you receive you receive a mail telling you whether you've successfully you're telling you whether you've gotten your tokens. So I think this is all about the video. So before we go, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to Crypto Airdropper and drop a like for the video if you liked it. And don't forget to drop your questions and suggestions in the comment section below, and feel free to join my Telegram or WhatsApp group, which I'll be dropping links to in the description below, to contact me directly. So one more time before we leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.